What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris. Finally back with another YouTube video. I know it's been years, felt like years, maybe even centuries, but your boy is back. And today we're not gonna be cooking, we're not gonna be playing video games. Today we're gonna be pimping out a room. And whose room in particular? Our daughter's. Know why? Because she deserves it, bitch. So last year we wasn't able to give her as much gifts. Couldn't afford it like that, you know what I mean? But this year is different. We're gonna get her a bunch of gifts. We're gonna pimp out her room, get her a new bed frame, bed set. We're gonna paint the walls for her. We're gonna paint the dressers. We're gonna hook it up, make it look more modern just for her. Hope she likes it. She better be grateful. And if she's not grateful, we're gonna toss everything out and she gonna sleep outside with the dog, you heard? All right, y'all. So currently, this is what her room looked like. Look at this. Fucking jungle in here. Fucking jungle. I could have sworn I seen Tarzan and Jane swing from that little curtain right there, and along with his monkey friends. This is what we gotta hook up right here. You know what I mean? A jungle. And recently I just patched up her wall, you know what I mean? I didn't really know how to do it, but you know, I'm trying, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, new bed frame, new bed, mattress, whatever. Gonna paint this wall up, you know what I mean? Gonna fix some windows possibly in the near future, cause that thing broken. Gonna be a long day. Hopefully we can get it done before she gets off from school. So what you finna do, bet?
Sand the dresser.
She's finna sand the dressers down. And while she's doing that, I gotta get back to work.
And then prime.
Yep, prime. And then paint it up. And then I'll go. I'll go do the room while she's working on this. right, y'all. So far, this is what we got right here. That. We just did the outlining, the edges. For all you painters and stuff out there, cut me some slack. I ain't never done this before, right? Don't be talking no shit. I mean, it's my first time. Leave me alone. But we taking a break because we hungry.
Starving.
Starving like Marvin, you heard? How's it looking so far? You guys like it? Still gotta touch up all the ceiling and stuff. We got some paint on it, but don't worry, I'll get it handled. I'm a rookie, so don't, cut me some slack. We gonna hit these up. Hella dirty. I mean, all around. Hit it up. And yeah, we good to go. Light work. This is the little guy that's preventing me from working on the room. He doesn't sleep, guys. It's like he's on coffee all day. Bad boy. Hey, you bad boy? You bad boy? Yeah, his mom is nowhere to be found right now. Nowhere to be found. I think she might be in the garage right now, you know what I'm saying? Practicing on the stripper pole. Man, trying to throw that ass for a little bit of cash, you heard? Fuck textured walls. That shit's a bitch. Motherfucker, doc. it took longer than we expected. We thought we was gonna finish in 1 day. We finished this motherfucker in 2 days. And she been blowing up our phone. Blowing up our phone like an angry girlfriend that's getting cheated on by an NFL player. Crazy, man. We'll show y'all the results tomorrow. Deuces.
I'm so thankful. Shut up.